Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I've got another walk around video for you guys today. I have a beautiful Ford Excursion behind me. Of course, you can hear it running. It's a Powerstroke diesel. But before I get into that, if it is your first time with us, welcome. My name is Jake. I'm the owner-operator of Success Motors down in College Station, and we sell primarily Ford Excursions. We sell other diesel trucks as well, but our bread and butter is Ford Excursion. So the goal behind this video is if you are up north or you're out of state somewhere and you don't have the time to come actually physically put your hands on this truck, my goal is that over the next 15 or 20 minutes you'll know the exact condition of this Ford Excursion so you can make a good purchasing decision. We can transport it to you, whatever. I do always recommend that you come down to College Station, actually test drive it for yourself, but if your schedule doesn't allow for that, hopefully this video is sufficient. Now, today's audio is going to be a little questionable potentially. I'm going to try to make this video quick, and I've got the Excursion on because it's very hot here in Texas, and I got out here a little bit late, and I think this GoPro is going to get too hot. So I'm trying to make it kind of quick, but anyway, I'm going to get to it. Guys, this is a beautiful 2004 Ford Excursion Limited Ultimate 6-liter Powerstroke diesel, 4-wheel drive. It has 200,000 miles on it. It is a Texas truck, rust-free, mechanically sound, drives great, runs great, no accidents. It's an absolutely beautiful truck. I'll tell you more about it when I get inside and it's a little bit quieter. But I'm just going to walk you around the exterior right now and show you what she looks like. Got a scratch right there. Aftermarket tow mirrors, new tires, stock size. Little scratch right there. Again, making this video kind of quick today because it is so hot, and I think this GoPro is going to turn off. Plus, I'm sweating. Looks like it has a little dent right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's not deep. It's probably been previously fixed. Of course, new tires all around. Very nice Excursion. Again, I'll tell you a little bit more about it when we get inside. Just want to show you the condition of it. No sunbake or oxidation on that guy. We do have a backup camera and a tow package, of course. Backup sensors because it's the limited. Little scratch right there. We still got a door ding right there. Woo, it's hot today. Big old grill guard with a light bar. No cracks in the windshield. Check out this interior, folks. Interior is absolutely exceptional. Very clean interior. Power seats, heated seats, memory seats. Woo, it's hot outside. Yeah, the GoPro has been turning off on super hot days. Today's a super hot day. So again, it's a 2004 Ford Excursion Limited Ultimate. It is a 6-liter Powerstroke diesel. It is 4-wheel drive, 200,000 miles, Texas truck, no rust. I'll show you underneath here in just a minute, and we will take it for a test drive here in just a minute as well. I want to mention it's got the previous owner just put a bunch of money into it. New shocks, new tires, new brakes, fresh window tint all around, new Alpine door speakers, new JVC stereo with Apple CarPlay. What else? Also did the LED upgrade kit, so all the interior lights have been upgraded to LEDs. You'll notice this does work. Everything on this truck is in working condition. Your windows work. Again, this one was being used as a daily driver, which to me, that is a great thing. AC is blowing cold right now, coming in clutch on this hot day. You'll see it's been on for a while, which is great. It's actually been on for a while. 200,499 miles, no check engine light, no ABS light, no lights of any kind. I drove this truck an hour the other day. It drives phenomenal, shifts good, stops good, brakes good, everything you would expect. It's a nice truck. You can see the temperature gauges. It all looks really, really good. I'll show you the rest of the interior. Show you the rockers. No rust in the doors or anywhere. It's a rust-free Texas truck. Rust-free Texas truck. Back seat, flawless condition. Carpets are clean. Does have floor mats throughout. We do have the rear infotainment. Rear AC is blowing cold right now. Headliner's clean. Third row seat. Back is clean also. Both doors open. Does have your spare. Again, headliner is clean. You can see the LED light up there. No big scratches on the panels, which tells me this thing wasn't used as a truck. Passenger side, power seats, of course. Passenger side seat is, again, phenomenal condition. Guys, you're not going to find a cleaner interior. You might find some as clean, but you won't find something cleaner. Let me show you up underneath the hood, and then we'll take this thing for a test drive. Again, my apologies. I'm working pretty fast today. Woo. There we go. Again, it's been on for a while. No pressure built up, which is a great sign for the heads. Whew. All right, back aside for the test drive. So this one is not studded. It does have the EGR delete, as well as an upgraded oil cooler. It's never been tuned, it's never been worked, it's never, to my knowledge, that's what I have been told, is it's never been done anything like that, and the truck looks that is the case. It looks very clean, like it's never been worked hard. Again, it looks like it's never been tuned or anything like that, but it does not have head studs, which again, the jury's out on what you think of that. My personal opinion is a truck, it's made at 200,000 miles on the stock head bolts. It hasn't been tuned, so it's not building excessive power. It's had the EGR delete and the upgraded oil cooler. Sorry if there was just a little hiccup in the video. I think my GoPro turned off as I said it could. Yeah, so mechanically sound, runs great, shifts great, drives great. Guys, this is a really nice Ford Excursion. All right, let's put this thing into gear. No slack there in the shift lever. And I'm gonna take this thing for a cruise. Guys, you won't be disappointed in this one. It's clean, it's been serviced recently. It's got tires and brakes and shocks. Guys, this is one you can buy today, drive today. It is a great truck. Again, I drove it about an hour the other day. I've already driven it about 30 minutes today. It hasn't as much as hiccuped at me. Got no reason to believe this is gonna be anything but reliable. But I'll try to be quietly here at shift, etc. If you have any questions, give me a call, 979-202-1948, or email us, info@successmotors.net. I'd petition that this is one of the nicer Ford Excursions for the price that we've ever had. Waiting for some traffic here. Mirrors work, windows work, door locks work, AC's blowing cold. And not much else you could ask for. Shifts are seamless. And no free play in the steering wheel. Very tight. Very tight. Perfect daily driving Ford Excursion. Buy this thing and take your family on a trip today. Man, it's ready for it. Trying to think if there's anything else I didn't mention about it, but man, that's it. The only thing you could possibly say about this Excursion is the paint is in great condition, but I bet a paint correction and a ceramic coat would do this thing wonders, being a 20-year-old black vehicle. Very little to no oxidation, as you can see, but does have swirls in the paint from somebody washing it and drying it with just like a regular towel and not a microfiber towel. If you've ever wondered if that makes a difference, it absolutely makes a difference. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Beautiful truck, beautiful Ford Excursion, 04 Limited Ultimate, clean title, Texas truck, no rust, 4-wheel drive, EGR delete, upgraded to oil cooler. Lots of money spent on it recently and upgrading the suspension and the brakes and the tires and the stereo. Guys, this is a good one, especially for the price. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, stay tuned for more videos. We got another 7.3 coming next week, and hopefully another 6.0 coming pretty soon next week as well. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions. God bless you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.